Ever wondered how to spot a liar? Today, you'll learn how to unlock the secrets of deception. Our daily interactions, whether personal or professional, are filled with a multitude of conversations and exchanges. Being able to discern truth from falsehood can prove invaluable in these situations. It's not just about catching out a fibber. Understanding the art of deception can help protect us from manipulation and foster more authentic relationships. So how do we spot a lie? It's a dance of micro-expressions, body language and speech patterns. It's noticing that fleeting facial twitch, the restless fidgeting, the inconsistency in a story. It's about understanding the tactics employed by skilled deceivers and, more importantly, how to counter them effectively. Armed with these tools, we can navigate our interactions with a critical eye and ensure we're not falling prey to deception. Now, let's dive deep into the world of deception and learn how to catch a liar in their tracks. Reading microexpressions can be your first line of defense against deceit. Microexpressions are those brief, involuntary facial expressions that reveal genuine emotions. They flash across the face in a fraction of a second, betraying what someone might be trying to hide. Picture a quick smirk, hinting at smugness, or a fleeting frown, revealing frustration. These are the subtle signs that can expose a lie. By mastering micro-expressions, you can discern the truth hidden behind the facade. Body language can speak volumes about a person's honesty. Imagine a jig of twitching fingers, the ballet of sidelong glances, or the waltz of shifting stances. These are signs that may indicate deceit. Fidgeting, for instance, might betray nervousness. Averted eyes may hint at a reluctance to maintain truthful contact. Sudden shifts in posture could suggest a person is uncomfortable with the truth. By decoding the dance of body language, you'll be one step closer to spotting a liar. The truth often lies not in what is said, but in how it's said. So let's delve deeper into the realm of spoken words. When examining speech, inconsistencies often illuminate the path to deception. A sudden shift in narrative, a jarring change in tone, or an unexpected pause can all be red flags. These anomalies in conversation can signal underlying deceit. It's not just about listening to the words, but analyzing the rhythm, the tempo, the melody of speech. Listen carefully, and you might just hear the truth between the lines. Some people have turned lying into an art form. These master manipulators employ tactics like gaslighting, diversion, and blame shifting to distort reality. But don't be deceived. By analyzing their behavior, you can counter their strategies. By understanding their tactics, you can unmask the master manipulators. Your best defense against deception is critical thinking. By questioning assumptions, evaluating evidence, and scrutinizing inconsistencies, you fortify your mind against manipulation. In the ever-shifting dance of deceit, your critical thinking is your compass. With these skills, you can protect yourself from deception and uncover the truth.